KTN News, Nairobi.
Zaidi ya walimu 600 wa sekondari ya msingi kaunti ya Kericho wametoa ilani ya siku 7 kwa serikali kuandaa mgomo iwapo tume ya huduma za walimu nchini TSC haitotii agizo la mahakama ya wafanyikazi ama ukipenda leba kuwapa ajira ya kandarasi ya kudumu. Walimu hao waliandamana kwenye barabara za mji wa Kericho wakiongozwa na msimamizi wa muungano wa KUPPET tawi la Kericho, Mary Rotich, ambapo walilalamikia mshahara wa shilingi 17,000 wanaopata kila mwezi.
These teachers here have completed their university degree in education. These teachers here have done their best to teach under BOM in the secondary schools. And now they are forced to stay in internship for 2 years while they are earning very little money. 17,000 is a slap on their face. 17,000 is very little.
One question to Nancy Macharia. If you proceed today on leave, will teachers cry or they will celebrate? You are the advisor to the president on teacher management. Knock on the State House and advise the president accordingly. Mogul's power!
The intern teachers who are graduating in 2018, 2017, 2016, all of them have not been employed. They are in internship. While the one who graduated last year, 2022 and 2021, are right now teaching on permanent and pensionable terms. The Teacher Service Commission is corrupt. And we are urging the EACC to investigate the conduct of the Teacher Service Commission. Because what they are doing is injustice. And we shall not condone injustice anywhere.
Wakati huo